I'm a huge fan when it comes to citrus cakes because they are always flavorful, delicious, and zesty. So in this recipe, I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you a very easy citrus tea cake, which is going to turn out fluffy, moist, zesty, and delicious. Overall, your taste buds are going to tingle with the first bite. You're going to start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to spread some margarine in your tin. You can also use a baking spray. Spray your tin and line with parchment paper so that inverting can be easier for you. The key ingredient is lemon and limes, and I have 3 medium lemons for the recipe and 2 limes. And also you need a couple of other ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box in the right quantity. I'm super excited for the recipe because I love a good citrus cake. Into my bowl, I have half a cup of margarine. You can also add in some softened butter. And for the recipe, you'll need a hand mixer or you can use a whisk. I'm going to whisk up my margarine for around a minute until very fluffy. Then carefully, you're going to gradually add in 3/4 cup of sugar into your bowl and mix until the sugar is fully combined with the margarine. When the sugar is fully combined with the margarine, this is how it's going to be looking. So you're going to place your bowl aside, and to grate your lemon zest, you're going to use a box grater, and using this medium size holes, you're going to grate your lemon and lime. That is around 2 teaspoons of lemon zest and a teaspoon of lime zest. If you add in the right amount of lemon and lime zest, your cake is going to be very zesty and flavorful. I'm almost done zesting my limes and lemons. Finally, I'm done, so I'm going to add in my zest into the bowl. Mix up the lemon zest together with the margarine and sugar. Then I'm going to squeeze in juice of 2 lemons and juice of 2 limes. So using a lemon squeezer, I'm going to squeeze in the juice. Use my spatula and mix in the lemon and lime juice into the rest of the ingredients. Then at this point, you're going to be cracking in 3 eggs. This is my least favorite part. 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗂𝗏. Disgusting. Pick my hand mixer and whip up the eggs, margarine, and sugar for around a minute or 2 until everything is fluffy. When the eggs are fully whipped up, you're going to be adding in a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and to add in some more lime and lemon flavor, I'm going to be adding in some lemon and lime extract. That is 3 teaspoons. Use my spatula and mix up the extract together with the rest of the ingredients. Then I'm going to gradually add in my all-purpose flour as I mix up. And by now your oven is going to be already preheated, ready for the batter. So the baking powder is going to help the cake rise while baking in the oven, while the lemon and lime juices together with the extract is going to add in flavor into your tea cake. So I'm going to add in around 1/2 cup of milk, fold in the milk, and at this point you don't need a hand mixer. All you need is a spatula to mix in the dry and wet ingredients. It's amazing how with very few ingredients you can whip up a delicious cake within a matter of minutes. So the batter has taken around 10 minutes at most to whip up, which means that you have to try out this recipe. When the batter is fully mixed up, this is how it's going to be looking, so don't overmix. As you can see, you can catch some specks of lemon and lime zest. And when your batter is ready, you're going to transfer to your prepped up tin, ready for baking. And don't add in your batter past halfway, because the butter is going to spill while baking in the oven. So now you're going to be baking your tea cake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 50 minutes. And to check if your cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. If the skewer comes out clean, your cake is ready to cool down. My cake is ready and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that golden brown crust. So now I'm going to wait for around 10 minutes for the cake to cool a little bit for me to handle the tin. Then I'm going to invert and cool completely, which is going to take around 30 minutes of your time to an hour. When ready, you're going to tap on your countertop 2 times to release the cake from the tin. Then you're going to transfer to a cooling rack. You're going to use a serrated knife and cut into your cake. And this is how gorgeous it's going to be looking on the inside. So I'm going to cut a few more slices just for you guys to see how incredible the tea cake is looking. The cake is perfect over some tea, coffee, milk, or even juice. And as you can see, the cake is looking absolutely gorgeous. It's fluffy, it's moist, packed with lots of zesty flavor from the lemon, lime, and the zest itself. So the cake is going to be a win once you try out the recipe. Bye-bye.